How to transfer money from Binance to Phantom Wallet. To start, we need to get the address of our Phantom Wallet. Open the Phantom app, and since we want to receive funds, choose the Receive option on the home page. Select the crypto you want to receive, for example, Ethereum, and then click the Copy button to copy the address. Once you've copied the address, open the Binance app. At the bottom right of your screen, click on Wallets and then choose the Withdraw option. I'm in my Spot wallet, so make sure you're in the correct wallet first. Then, choose the crypto you want to send, for example, Solana. Click Send via Crypto Network and paste the copied address into the withdrawal field. Binance will automatically select the correct network, but if not, you should choose the Solana network manually. Enter the withdrawal amount and double-check that the correct network is selected. Choosing the wrong network could result in losing your funds or not receiving the crypto, so it's important to select the correct one. After that, click Withdraw and confirm the transaction, which may require verification. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.